Hello everyone! Today, we are going to learn some new vocabulary words related to food and cooking. These words will have you talk about ingredients, cooking methods, and kitchen items. Are you ready? Let's get started. For ingredients, our first word is flour. Flour. Flour is a powder made from grinding grains. We use flour to make bread, cakes, and other baked goods. For the second one, yeast. Yeast. Yeast is a fungus used in baking and brewing to make dough rise or ferment. Our third word is turmeric. Turmeric. Turmeric is a yellow spice used in Asian cooking, known for its color and flavor. Last but not least, we have to practice basil. Basil. Basil is a fragrant herb often used in Italian and Asian cooking. Now, let's see how we can use these words in sentences. Flour. People prefer white bread made from wheat flour. Yeast. The yeast used in the production of wine is different from that used in bread making. Turmeric. Your overall well-being and mood may be improved by consuming turmeric. Basil. Daniel is chopping basil to cook spicy Thai basil chicken. Now, let's learn some cooking methods. First of all, we will learn simmer. Simmer. To cook gently in liquid just below the boiling point. For example, she leaves the soup to simmer for 10 minutes and then serves. Roast. Roast. To cook food, especially meat, in an oven using dry heat. For example, we were having roast beef for lunch. Grate. Grate. To reduce food to small shreds by rubbing it on a grater. For example, my mother peels and grates the potatoes and places them in a bowl. Steam. Steam. To cook food using steam, typically by placing it in a steamer. For example, you need to fill the soup into the dumpling and steam in a bamboo steamer. Let's guess the kitchen item with me. What is this? It's peeler. Peeler. What about this one? It's juicer. Juicer. What do you think about this one? It's colander. Colander. Let's get one more. It's a knife. Knife. A knife is the most useful tool in the kitchen, isn't it? Today, we learn new vocabulary words related to food and cooking. Remember, we talk about turmeric, simmer, and colander among others. Try to use this word in your conversations and cooking adventures. See you in the next video, everyone. Bye-bye.